Hi, welcome to Hands on Fun. I am Lela y yo soy Lalo. Lalo, spring is in the air. I can smell it. You know what I smell, Lela? What, Lalo? I smell chocolate. Yeah, and that's right, Lalo. We have some Kinder Surprise today with delicious chocolate inside. Oh, look, Lalo. Our ship numero uno is orange. Yeah, number one is naranja. Like my hair. That's right, Lalo. It's Patrick's star from SpongeBob. Here it says Patricio. Yeah, I think this one comes from Spain. Oh, I find Patricio so friendly. Lalo. Yeah, but look, egg numero dos comes in a ship azul. I like azul. Yeah, number two is blue like the sky. Yeah, when it's not raining. And who's inside? Look, it's Bob Esponja, SpongeBob SquarePants himself. Yeah, again, this must be a Spanish SpongeBob. Yeah, well, Bob is Bob and Esponja is Sponge. Yeah, Lalo, I speak Spanish. Good. She's opening egg numero tres, the green one. Yeah, number three is very nice, verde. I like the baby leaves on our tree outside, Lela. You know, I also like verde. But you can have it if you want. It's a frog. Oh, no, not again. Oh, I'm glad we moved on. Our ship numero cuatro is yellow. Oh, yeah. Number four is amarillo, like the sun. It's very sunny these days, Lalo. Yeah, it's typical spring weather. Sweet. It's Gary the snail. He's Bob Esponja's pet. Yeah, this guy is confused. Do you know, have you heard him? He meows like a cat. Yeah, but he's a snail. Snails don't meow. Egg numero 5 is pink. I don't see you wearing much pink these days. Yeah, Lalo, I used to like rosa when I was little, but not anymore. I like all colors, like the rainbow. Look, it's Sheldon Plankton. Yeah, we're moving to our joy, Kinder Joy. But we're doing colors today. What color is that? Do you know? Amarillo, Lela. Amarillo. Yeah, that's right, Lalo. It's yellow. Yeah, I want to know what numero 6 brings. I don't know about that side of number 6, but this side has delicious creamy milk chocolate. What's the toy? I see wheels, a seat, a handle, traffic pylons. It's a finger game bike in amarillo. You know, I like amarillo. I think I'll pick amarillo as my favorite color next month. Yeah, yellow is nice, but I wish it were green. I like green today. Okay, so I keep the bike? Hey, that's not fair. We have to share. I hope numero 7 has another bike inside. A green bike. Number 7 looks more like it's a shoe from finger games. And look, you can use it as a keychain if you want. It comes with the Italian and German flags. I want German. And I want Italian. Well, that's better. Thank you, lady. Yeah, okay. We both have our flags on the shoe. She has green. Yeah, that's my verde. And what is inside egg numero 8? It looks like egg number 8 has SpongeBob SquarePants again. No, we have 2 of them, Lela. But this one is the German SpongeBob. Schwamm means sponge and Kopf means head. So, yeah, hello, Herr Schwammkopft. Numero 9 is an interesting finger game. Yeah, 9 looks fun, but hard to do. It's a spinning top, which has to spin and jump from 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you it was hard. This pair is for you, Lalo. The box is azul. Thanks, Lela. Anything blue is mine this month. Mine. I like blue this month. So what do you see inside number 10, Lalo? Numero 10 has another finger game. You can have it, Lela. It's a green roller scooter. You like green today. Oh, Lalo, that's so nice of you. You are the best brother a sister could have. Aww. Oh, Lela. What is this? Yeah, numero 11 is another finger game. Hey, we're lucky with so many finger games this time. Egg number 11 brings a bowling game. Oh, those are fun. And it comes with 3 pins and a slingshot. Let's play together. I go first. No, Lela. I go first. You went first. Okay, let's do it like that. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Lalo, we're missing the next one. Ooh, number 12 is one of the big ones. we don't want to miss número 12. Oh, it's a superhero. Ooh, which one? Oh, Batman. Oh, I like him. I like Batman. You know, oh, they're so strong. And he fights the bad guys. Oh, he came with all sorts of bad guys, Lalo. Yeah, I only know the Joker. Maybe the kids can tell me the names of the other bad guys. Yeah, Lela, we had lots of surprises today, and number 13 is our very last one. Oh, we should play together after the show. We had lots of toys today. Look, Lela, number 13 has Polly Pocket. Fancy! She came with a change of skirt and a hat that changes color when you put it in warm water. Oh, I want to play with that. I can't wait. You know, the hat is blue, but you can keep it, okay? Yeah. So, kids, if you liked our show, remember to subscribe, like, comment, come back. We'll be here next week again with a lot of fun. Yeah! Lalo, we have a question for the kids today. That's right. We want to know if you noticed which egg número did we only say in Spanish? Write it in the comment area below. Let's play together now, Lalo. Yeah. Miss. Hola, señor Esponja. Hello, Herr Schwammkopft. What are we gonna do with one shoe, Lalo? Share?